Hi guys, it's your girl Noxie and I'm back again with another video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today I'm bringing you a story about South African actress, TV presenter and fashion designer Enhle Mbali, who was previously married to Black Coffee, a very popular DJ, well known by the name Black Coffee, but his real name is Nkosinathi Maphumulo. So she's filed gender-based violence charges against Black Coffee, the DJ, and Black Coffee has contested those charges because she's applied for a peace order, a protection order, to keep him out of the house so she can feel safe and not come back into the house.
Rebels, we've seen our River Stinkums, and I want that to stop today. I will fight with a lot of women fighters that I have rallied around me, and I'm not going to stop till justice is done.
So Black Coffee has contested these charges, and he says that he didn't strike her, he didn't assault her, and so he doesn't feel like it's fair for her to be using gender-based violence to her own benefit, making up these stories in the public eye. Right. So I understand that these two have been having problems in their marriage because Black Coffee supposedly cheated twice or a couple times more than that, you know, as far as I'm concerned. And Enhle before wasn't confident enough to speak about these issues, and she asked the people to stay out of her business, which has then led to the public feeling divided in their opinions of supporting her.
You know, this thing of gender-based violence is just a problem, and she's affecting a lot of people. But my thing is that when should you now get everybody involved? Because you know what I've seen as the survivor of gender-based violence is that when things is just rosy in a relationship, we don't want to speaking here. People must drink water, mind your business. Okay, this is fine. Up until you deciding not that you don't wanting him, now you want us to not drink water anymore. When should we get people involved? When should we speak out? I am saying that you're speaking out even if you are still wanting him, you are still wanting relationship, speak out, go for counseling, do something while still in a relationship. Don't only speak out when you say I am enough.
For instance, Kelly Khumalo, also a popular musician, put out a video saying that how come Enhle, when people try to intervene before in your marriage, you try to say people should stay out of your business and go drink water, stay hydrated and mind your own business. But now you feel like your marriage is now sour and you don't like the guy anymore. Now you want everyone to be a part of your protest and all of that and support you and back you up. You know, I have different feelings about this situation because I feel like women that are abused are not comfortable speaking about it the first time it happens, or even the second time, especially if there's children involved. Like Enhle is a family woman. She's been doing everything to protect her children from bad publicity, you know, and the paparazzi just trying to get information. So I do feel like at that point when she was saying people should stay out of her business, she felt like, okay, I've got this under control. I can be strong. I can withhold this pain. I don't need people saying things or asking me questions. And then now it's gotten to a point where she's like, you know what? The abuse didn't stop. Okay, because apparently Black Coffee struck her again at her 33rd birthday party, and the public witnessed the incident happening, and she felt like, okay, this has gone too far. She's also put out an Instagram post today that says, in 2014, Black Coffee struck me a couple times in my room, in our bedroom, you know, and he's done it a couple times after that. And I'm like, okay, so now she's really getting to speak about it. And I don't think people should be judged upon when they decided to come out with the story, because it doesn't change the fact that it's true. Because we all know how trauma makes people behave. People are not comfortable just saying, oh, you guys, my boyfriend beat me up last night or my husband beat me up last night. It's not that easy to talk about. So I do feel like, you know, there is some truth in that. People need time to figure things out before just going and talking about things in public. So if she wanted her privacy respected at that time, I do think people should respect the privacy. And now she's asking for our support, saying, guys, I finally found my strength to come out and talk about this issue. I think women should support her and be there for her. I believe her. I believe that did happen because You know, people do talk about these things, and everyone finds it hard to believe that people can get abused because the guy is famous, because they look like they were happy in pictures and all these things, you know. But for those people that don't believe her, I would say, since it's 50-50 and Black Coffee says he didn't do it and she says he did it, it would be fair to take a polygraph test. You know, that lie detector test, that's going to prove who's telling the truth or who's telling lies. Because how else is Black Coffee going to get convicted if he hasn't admitted to the charges himself? So this is a very complicated situation, but it's a situation that women are dealing with every single day. Some people have died in the hands of men. You know, even our celebrity Rihanna did go through this gender-based violence thing. And, you know, she got assaulted. It was embarrassing to come out with it. She still went back to Chris Brown after it happened because of the trauma. But then she said as soon as she realized that the young girls were looking up to her and how much impact and influence she had on people's lives, she then decided, you know what, I'm going to have to do this right. Because my younger sisters and people that look up to me are going to think it's okay to go back to a man that's abusive. And I feel like that's the same thing that Enhle is going through. She's realized, you know what, I am a leader and I am at the top of the chain. So for people to see me as an example of silence when I'm being abused, that's not a good example to say to other girls. So she's come out with strength, saying, you know what, guys, there is power in coming out with these things. Don't keep quiet. Come out with it. Be strong. You know, whatever it takes. Even if people don't support her, she's out there doing it, soldiering on, and I'm so proud of her. And I just want to say I stand with Enhle at this difficult time in her life. And I'm so glad to see women supporting her and backing her up. Black Coffee trying to put up a defense about this and that. Nigga, you've already cheated. You've already cheated on this woman. Nobody wants to hear what you have to say. You already cheated. You asked her to move out of your marital home. You asked her to go live somewhere else. All of these things are not looking good in the public eye. So for me, I can't support a man that cheats because I don't know what else I should believe, because you've been able to not only cheat but lie to your woman every day. So why can't you lie to us? You can still lie. So I won't say I believe Black Coffee because he hasn't given me a reason to believe him. So I don't know what you guys think about this story. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless.